If you are interested in losing weight and burning fat, a diet program alone may not suit your needs. The best way to burn fat is to exercise, aerobic exercise, specifically. Aerobic exercise draws on the body's fat stores for energy. The more cardio you do, the more fat you'll burn. Try these aerobic exercises for great fat-burning results. 1. Running. Running is an excellent fat burner. Getting started with a running program is relatively easy. Get a good pair of shoes and you're ready to begin. Ease into a running program gradually, to avoid damage to joints. 2. Walking. If you're not quite up to a running program, a 30-minute daily walk can also do wonders for fat loss. Take the time to add a walk each day in the morning or after dinner to burn fat steadily. 3. Dancing. Dancing can be a great way to burn fat and enjoy yourself at the same time. Choose a fun, upbeat dance style to burn the most fat possible. 4. Swimming. If you have issue with joint pain or other medical problems that make exercise uncomfortable, swimming is a great option. Since it's a non-weight-bearing exercise, it's easy on your muscles and joints. 5. Cycling. Bicycling is a good way to get exercise and enjoy the scenery at the same time. If you enjoy the outdoors, bicycling on a trail or mountain road could be a great way to burn excess fat. 6. Exercise classes. If you're a social person, check out your local gym or fitness club to see what exercise classes are offered. Burn fat and enjoy meeting new friends at the same time, a great combination. 7. Aerobic weight training. This special type of exercise class offers heart-pumping cardio and light weight training combined. If your gym offers it, take advantage of this double fat-burning workout. Burn fat and add muscle at the same time. A healthy diet combined with 30 minutes of one of these fat-burning exercises is a great way to encourage weight loss. Your heart will also thank you, as aerobic exercise has definite cardiovascular benefits. Exercise and healthy eating will strip pounds off your frame and add years to your life. Take the time to try some of these fat-burning exercises today, and find one that fits into your lifestyle and you enjoy. If exercise is enjoyable, you're far more likely to stick with a program. Experiment with your own exercise program today. This article is for informational purposes only. It is not medical advice and should not be used or interpreted as such. You should always consult a medical professional before making drastic changes to your diet and physical exercise.